So I have already taken all my luggage. This is my suitcase. This is my purse and my bag. I'm going now to Belgium. So for more updates, stay tuned. So this is my first international trip, and so my friends have also came to bid me goodbye. And she is even doing all my work, like she packed my bag, as you will see in the videos, and she did everything for it. So we are going now to take Dinesh, and we will go Kharagpur station first of all from the campus. And we have already reached Gymkhana, you can see there. So yes, we are excited. Some of our friends and seniors came to bid us goodbye. So now we have reached this KGB station. Our train was too late, so we took local train and then Kolkata to airport by cab. This is the Kolkata airport, and you can see it is very beautiful. So we have reached this airport now, and we are just waiting for our flight. We were so hungry that time, and we ordered some garlic bread there. So bye bye Kolkata. And now we are having 3 more stops: Mumbai, Istanbul and Brussels. Actually, we are heading toward our first stop, Mumbai, the dream city. And it is very beautiful, where I am supposed to meet Anamika's mom, since she is bringing home food for us. Yes, we'll have dinner now. We have 5 hours layover in Mumbai, but it's night time, so we can't go out. But we enjoyed with Mango's mother a lot. Our flight got delayed and mom was waiting for us for a long time. Mom and dad were very happy to see us, since the airport was so beautiful and we were having time to explore. So we are just looking around and we clicked a lot of pictures. We were roaming here and there, like we are just wandering and we don't know where to go.
आखिरी और अंतिम सूचना है, सभी यात्रियों से अनुरोध है कि वे तुरंत वार्ड संख्या.
After the final announcement, we headed to board. It's really a long journey. We watched some movies and had snacks. It was okay. Finally, we reached Istanbul airport. It was really beautiful. We were extremely tired, but we had 4 hours layover at Istanbul airport, and it was so beautiful. So we enjoyed a lot. Outside view was mesmerizing. We kept looking and weather was chilled. Overall, the journey was amazing. We were too sleepy as well. This is a glimpse of Istanbul airport. We will show it to you nicely, but first we have to take the boarding pass. Yes, they didn't give us the boarding pass for this flight, this third flight, so we have to take it from here. You can see the Istanbul airport is really beautiful.
At Istanbul airport, the beauty isn't just in its grand architect, but also in the thoughtful details like a charming small houses here and there. Even the kids were enjoying so much. We also went in some of them, and it was so great. We enjoyed a lot. Each and every house was containing something different, and even the kids were scared by seeing us.
Because I think only the small kids used to go inside, not bigger adult like us. We were actually not knowing that above the Istanbul airport will look like this and there will be many things to explore. So we couldn't give it much of the time. We were already late. Yes, we just explored 3 hours and I don't know how it went. And we couldn't explore all the houses. So some are left to be explored while we come back. There are few houses which I want to visit again once I go to Istanbul airport again. But some things better be left so that there is a reason to come back. So let me show you a glimpse of this huge airport. There were a lot of items, from food to clothing and everything. And few dishes were very common there in Istanbul as well as Brussels. But those were not Indian food, and we were hungry just for Indian food, so we had to leave it. We have decided while coming back, we will just stay here for a longer time. Like we are already having a long time. Dinesh, let's go that side. As I said already, we couldn't get that much time to explore this huge airport all over. Anyhow, we had a lot of fun these 3-4 hours here, and no issues, we will see it later. We are happy that we have to come back via same route. You can see down there was a resort, and while coming back we will have food here. And on the right side there were lift. Earlier we were not knowing that just after the lift there was excavator as well. So this one is that excavator, and so we had waited a lot for the lift. And here after that we again have to go underground, and it was a long way down.
Now it's time to board for our final flight. That's Istanbul to Brussels. And now it's time to go.
The air was really fast, and bye bye Istanbul. And now one thing I really liked about this airlines, you can see they just demonstrated all the instruction on the screen. And soon after a long hours of sleep, we finally reached Brussels. This is the Brussels airport. It was daytime there. It was actually evening 6 to 7, but again it was very bright there. So we thought let's do the immigration, and after that click some pictures. And we had really very nice pictures over here. You can check out our pictures here on the Insta channel. Also, after that we had to figure out where to go. Actually, we decided to go via train because it was pocket friendly. Earlier we were not knowing about the buses here, so we chose the train. And we also had some complimentary tickets. I mean the passes. Actually, one youth holiday plan was going on these days, and on that week only we visited there. We purchased immediately that week plan, and after that we can go any number of times via train as we want. So yes, we decided to come to Brussels and explore Brussels as well with the Antwerp in these coming days. There was some queue, but we decided to take this train.
And we took train from Brussels to Antwerp. It was really nice. The seats were so comfortable and everything was so beautiful. And it was daytime, so we can look outside also, and outside view was mesmerizing. We enjoyed a lot in this journey. Stay tuned for more updates.
That's how we reached Antwerp.
Thanks for watching.